Simple battery-powered devices with a crappy motor inside with no real smart electronics. Stick two AA's in there. Works. But recently I have discovered these little things, which, to the naked eye look very similar. However, upon closer inspection, there's a beautiful warning about these having lithium inside. And yeah, if you don't know, AA is about 1.5 volts nominal, lithium ion about 3.7. So, shall we? Oh. Yeah, this motor is definitely not gonna survive for a long time, but it's gonna be a fun time.